How many people saw Chennai Love Story?
Yes, sir.
In that, do you know the hero Steven? What is his name?
Even Shankar.
Steven Shankar. Steven Shankar is always going to use one word. Today onwards, I'm your slave. Today onwards, I'm your slave. Okay, you can ask anything, including my life also. I'm ready to provide. Such type of promise is going to do for the heroine. Heroine already in love some person. She's not in a position. She's not in a position to forget that person. Getting right, this person is using the word. I'm the slave for you. You can order anything. Just in a minute, I will be there for you to provide the support like that. They know the care, how much he is taking. Okay, the care, how much he is giving, the importance, how much this person is giving makes a heroine. One fine day, she's going to tell, shall we marry Steven? Have you remembered, right?
Yes, sir.
అయ్యో పెడతారు కదా ఇట్లా you didn't saw that the
Correct,
movie.
sir.
yeah, yeah, shall we marry, like it's going to be happen, right? So there the interest what we are going to show, the care what we are going to take, opposite person automatically will like us, man. Remember that. Okay, always thinking about, hey, opposite person should like me, should like me like that. Nothing, that thing is never going to be happen. How much care, how much interest you are showing to the opposite person, you are giving to the opposite person. Okay, based on that, the things are going to be happen. Remember carefully. Okay, the total story, if you consider that movie, of course, don't feel that Durga Sir is telling movies, movie stories in the life skills. If you consider that, okay, the movie, so she's crying, heroine is crying. Okay, she has some problem, love failure problem, breakup problem, something like this person gave her. She's keep on morning, she's going to start drinking alcohol. Okay, like in that movie, drinking alcohol, like what the Stephen is going to do that, he's entering into our bedroom, and like he's cleaning all the things, and then he wrote we require to move on. Okay, we require to move on. We should not stay there only. If some problem is coming, we require to move on. Like he wrote one statement, and then he's coming out. Then she is going to see. She gave left and right. How dare to enter into my bedroom without my permission? Okay, how you're telling some moral words, what the need, be in your limit, like she is going to give the warning. But even she's telling with angry, but definitely somewhere that feeling should be there. Array, this person cared me unnecessary, I scolded this person. Okay, like have you remembered, anyone saw that movie? If you are seeing that movie, then you can feel that.
Yeah, we are
Yes,
visualizing
sir.
scenes, sir,
Yes,
while you are
friend.
telling.
Then immediately this lady, okay, she scolded like anything, man, in front of all his friends. In front of all his friends, scolded like anything. In front of all his friends. Then automatically, but still she has some feel what that lady is going to do. Yes, this lady, okay, meet some P-Vasu. Whenever they are in party, P-Vasu is also there. Sir, I have my close friend. Can you please help this person? He has dreams, okay, to enter into the movie industry like that. She only recommend this person to the director, top director. Have you observed? Then observe that this person start showing care, start showing interest. Of course, not with a negative kind of terminology. Okay, like that. Then she did a favor for this person. Then immediately is getting the chance to meet the director, top producer, Vasu, P Vasu, like that. Then he's going to meet. Who is the reason for that opportunity? That lady only. Why that lady took that? Because this person take care. Then this person, array, he's going to, after coming back, even though that proposal got failed, after coming back, this person used the word, I'm slave. Just like Bahubali. Bahubali. Katappa is there, right? I'm slave, like, I'm slave, whatever you want. Just let me know, matter of in 1 minute, like, I will be there in 1 minute. I will do whatever you require, like that interest, that care makes shall we go for marriage like that? Well, so the only thing is care and importance. The relationships will become strong. Everyone is going to like you, man. Believe me, everyone is going to like you. So, but the problem here is we are always going to want instead of giving. Instead of giving, I want care. I want to be get important, man. You have to consider with very care. You have to consider with very care. You require to consider with you require to give the importance. Hurry, everyone is expecting. Don't expect first. First start giving. Automatically the things are going to come with the multiplication, believe me. Genuine interest you require to show in the opposite person. Then the things will come in reverse. I hope are you in the position to understand?
Yes, sir.
Getting right? So, where is the mistake? Why the people are neglecting you? Why the people are not taking that much care? Why the people are so a bit aggressive, arrogant on you? Have you got the reason? The reason is not their problem. The problem is your problem. My husband is not taking that much care. He's the very worst person in the universe. Such a type of worst husband I never saw. One wife is going to tell. The same scenario. Why husband is going to tell, అరే ఎక్కడ ప్రశాంతంగా బతుకుతాను అని దేవుడు ఈవెన్ సృష్టించినట్టు ఉంటాడు రా భయ్. The God created this lady just because of me. I may get freedom because to kill my freedom only this God created this lady like is always reverse. So make sure you people, instead of expecting care, instead of expecting importance from the opposite person, first start giving unconditionally, without expecting anything. Start giving importance, start giving care. The things are going to come automatically in reverse, man. Wherever you go, grand welcome by default you people are going to get once you start giving importance for them.